Deepika Mehato joining us from Goa. Well, Deepika, if he had opening ceremony yesterday, a grand opening ceremony, give us an overall sense of the festival and how are the young filmmakers also being showcased in this year?
Good morning, Lipakshi. The 55th edition of International Film Festival of India kicked off in grand style yesterday, and the red carpet was abuzz with top stars from the film industry from here, India and abroad as well. And as we know that Australia is the focus country, so The Better Man is the film which is in focus right now at this particular edition of the 55th IFFI, and the entire star cast was present. And apart from that, we also had a conversation with Shekhar Kapoor, who happens to be the famous and celebrated director as well as the festival director of this particular event. And talking about yesterday's opening ceremony, as you just mentioned, that Prasar Bharati also launched India's first OTT platform, which is Waves, and many stars were praising the first OTT platform of the country, and they said that Doordarshan has always been in their blood, and now Waves comes as a fresh breath of air for them. So this is how IFFI is trying to be a 360 is trying to come up with a 360-degree approach to put together all the happenings that are related to film, its industry, its economy, and how to prosper it better across the world, and how we can connect the bridge of India and the other rest of the world, so that we can prosper this economy and enter into the soft economy and earn more from it. And apart from that, if we talk about today's day 3 of the International Film Festival of India, and today happens to be the first day of Film Bazaar that focuses on a B2B platform, which is business to business platform. And apart from that, at the Film Bazaar, 100 creative minds of tomorrow event is also going on, which is a competition that happens daily, and it will go on till the 24th of it, where all the young participants will get an opportunity to showcase their talent, and basis on that they would be awarded and rewarded. And apart from that, they get to learn a lot from the people here, because people are coming here from all across the world. They are not only engaging in different set of competitions, but also learning and exchanging their skills as well, Lipakshi.
All right, Deepika, thank you so much for all those details from Goa.